Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Windows Store error code that you're coming across on your Windows computer. And this error code is 0x803FB107. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. You want to open up the Start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best match to come back with Troubleshoot settings. Left click on that. Scroll down underneath Get Up and Running and select Windows Update. Resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and then left click on Run the Troubleshooter. Okay, so it should say completed. I recommend following along whatever it suggests here. So it wants you to check for Windows updates. Go ahead and do that. It wants you to pen restart your computer. So check that out. Make sure that's working all right. Another thing you try to be to open up the Start menu again. Type in Services. Best match to come back with Services. Go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to go first check the background intelligence transfer service. So go ahead and double click on that. Make sure service status is running. If it's not, select the start option and then startup type so that's either automatic or automatic delete start. And do the same thing for the Windows Update service. So if you scroll down here, double click on that, make sure it's either automatic or automatic delete start, and just like with the background intelligence transfer service, make sure that one is running as well. Then select apply and OK if you had to actually make any changes to affect that, and then restart your computer. One further thing you can try would be to go ahead and open up the Start menu once again, type in Windows PowerShell. Best match to go back with Windows PowerShell, right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, left click on Yes. Now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it directly from my description. So just highlight over it and then Control C on your keyboard, or right click and copy, whatever works best for you. And then go to the top bar of this Windows PowerShell window here, right click on it, left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste. Hit Enter one time on your keyboard to run this, so please be patient. Now that you've done that, hopefully I would have been able to resolve your problem. Close that here. Another thing you can try would be to open up the Start menu again, type in Troubleshoot. Best match to come back with Troubleshoot settings, left click on that. So another troubleshooting utility, I want you guys to scroll down and select the Windows Store Apps option and then select Run the Troubleshooter. Okay, so if it suggests signing in with a Microsoft account, make sure you sign in, then go ahead and select Next. Okay, so it appears that was the only issue found in our case. If anything else is suggested here, I'd recommend following along with its advice. One more thing you can try would be to actually reset the Windows Store. So open up the Start menu, type in WS Reset. Best match should come back with WS Reset here. Right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. Give it a moment. And once it relaunches the Microsoft Store, you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.